Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video by Ross Perry Productions. Now, in this video I'm sitting in the passenger seat of a 2020 Suzuki Swift. And I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the cabin air conditioning filter. Now, it's actually located over this side, just behind the glove box here. So we're going to open up the glove box and I'll show you how to take that off in just a second. But first off, just make sure the car is off and the fan is not running. And now I'll show you how to remove the glove box. So like I say, a bit of a knack to getting the glove box off. Going to open it up, and we're actually going to squeeze this side in first, followed by that one, and sort of a twist in motion. So just watch me do it. Pull that down to there, pull that to the right, and if you can see, there's just a chamfer on this side all the way down, and then this one stands up proud quite a long way. And we're just going to go ahead and pull that like so. With the glove box now removed, you'll actually notice this piece of black plastic that says up on it. So what we're going to do is clip either side, just go ahead and remove that and it will look something like this. Put that aside, and now you'll see sort of a white piece of foam or fuzzy felt with an arrow pointing up, and there's actually the word up behind this little tab. Just give that tab a pull, then that will actually pull out your air conditioning filter. So this one's actually quite clogged up, so this will be changed very soon. Once you have your new one, place it straight back in, making sure the arrow goes up. Get your piece of plastic from earlier, just lining it up, making sure it clicks on both sides. Then go ahead, get your glove box, hook the bottom two hooks in, and then just push it straight up like so. And there we go, that's another Ross Perry Productions video on the 2020 Suzuki Swift. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.